This video demonstrates how you can pair Bisecu with your smartphone. Once you sign in, you will see the main screen. Make sure you turn Bluetooth and GPS on before you start pairing, otherwise Bisecu cannot detect your smartphone. On the main screen, tap New Bisecu and read guidelines carefully. Press the button on top of Bisecu about 8 seconds. When the purple LED fills and blinks, Bisecu becomes to the pairing mode and shows up on the connectable Bisecu list on the app. Click the Connect button and set up your 4-digit PIN code. You will use this PIN code when you need to unlock Bisecu when your phone is not available. Now you should be able to see your Bisecu on the list. That's it. Try locking and unlocking to check whether if it works properly or not.